Usembut Myntri Ketnat Kikam Po Ieng ke Sarkar Jelau ba Preston Tinsong ubal along ru usembut Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba ke Jingïakren Halor ke Jinglek dan Bo Jengki Pulit Assam hapok gicaka bayak haji apot kaya jan manla ke ar nilai Sien hakash Taïew Hapdeng Myntri Rangbah ke Jelam Meghalaya bat Myntri Rangbah ke Assam ulaya turu ba ke Jing'e hangne ke dek hapok ke blok 1 bat blok 2 hakaba kine ki hap hapo ke jingpek ki district council pat ki buat penyak ki kam hakine ki jaka lapet de ke karbi yang long autonomous district council bat yakum kine ki jingjia barit nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ka Jelau kondat sangma ula de banyak kren bat Myntri Rangbah ka Assam bat nakaliang ka Assam kan sakren yang kene ke kam pat ka karbi yang anglong autonomous district council.
See, I think, see, just bringing it in the house, because see, the reality is in the spot. And let me just tell you one thing. I think this is manhandling or the the high-handedness towards the public. Even that also, I'm telling you, it is subject to verification. You cannot just blindly say that, because see, the talk between CM of Meghalaya and CM of Assam is almost twice or thrice a week. Okay, almost twice or thrice in a week, where what they do, they share even the small issues like that subject where the MLA, honorable MLA from from Mahati brought in. These issues has been discussed with the counterpart, and not only that, even in the level of the district administration, both sides they keep talking about it, and the real issue here is especially when you talk about block 1, block 2, because see, block 1, block 2 again, the whole administration falls within the district council. It is with the Karbi Anglong district council. It is not that the entire small issues learned or known by the state government. In their level, they did, and then CM has already clarified also. He has already replied that even for this particular instant case, what happened was the district council, ranger, he went to court. Okay, they filed this issue in the court, and then ultimately the court took cognizance of it. In fact, it is not the state government of Assam who did it. This has been done by the district council, by the autonomous council of Karbi Anglong. So while discussing between CM Assam and CM Meghalaya, CM Assam, he said he will also intervene with the district council concerned, and if possible, if they can withdraw the case, I think that is the best step to carry forward in the because we are in the midst of discussion, negotiation, and talks is still on.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.